Is I have recently bought Wacom tablet for e-teaching. Actually, I am running another channel called Let's Make Learning Simple channel. In that channel, I used to teach software-oriented courses like Java, machine learning, and other stuff. And I also teach how to attend campus interview and how to get a place in a reputed company like that. For that, I used to teach using whiteboard, physical board. So many people gave feedback. Many people asked me to choose some digital teaching because they can't able to see the words in the board clearly because of the dimensions of the board. So I thought of buying some digital board, a digital tablet, but I don't have any idea at that time. So I have researched many websites and many people, and I bought this Wacom tablet. This is awesome product actually. So before buying this product, I don't have any idea about this, how to use it, and what are the features and what are the functionalities available in this. But after buying this, I could feel the value of this product in a very much manner. Actually, I can't have any words to explain it actually. So this Wacom tablet, which is used for two purposes. One is visual designing. For example, suppose nowadays people are using digital drawing for animated pictures. So it can be used in software companies for designing. It can be used to create characters for movies. It can be used for drawing purposes, which can be a hobby. It can be used also for e-teaching purposes online. So for example, we can teach using this. We can teach using this tablet. We will try to show the demo in the later part of this video. So these are the people who are very keen on visual designing or e-teaching can buy this product without any other thing also. So Wacom is the company who is manufacturing this tablet. They are trying to help the people who have creative knowledge to so this is stylus pen. We need to use this pen for writing. So we can compare this pen with a ordinary pen. It has nib. We can replace this nib. If that nib broken, we can replace with nibs. They have provided 3 extra nibs with the tool kit. And this is not a ordinary tablet. You cannot use this tablet for other purposes. You can use this tablet only for e-teaching or visual drawing. And then this is the box that I got it. Here you could see the system requirements, Windows 7 or later. So if you are a Windows user, you need to have Windows 7 or later OS. If suppose you are a Mac user, then you need to have OS 10.10 or later. And then you need to have the USB Type A port. So you would have a question. The latest Mac Pro books don't have the USB Type A port. Then how could I use it? There are connectors which are available in the market to convert the Mac Pro Lightning port to USB Type A port. So you can buy those. You can buy that port for the working purpose. And then you need to have internet to download the driver. So this is one-time work. So you need to download driver from the internet and you can install the driver in your machine, and then afterwards after installation you don't require internet at all because you can work this tablet in offline mode also. So that's the power of this tablet. So that's the value that is given by this tablet. So we will try to see the demo, then you could feel the power and value of this tablet. If you are trying to buy this product, you can use the link which is in the description box of this video. If you want to check the price, you can also use the same link to check the price on Amazon. So now I have connected this Wacom tablet with my machine. So now I am going to show the demo how we can write something on this tablet which will be reflected in the machine. So this is the tablet. Here you could see the white light is glowing. The reason behind that is I have connected this tablet with the USB and I connected this tablet to the machine. So if I write something here, then that would be reflected on my machine. So I have already written something. So this is the content. If I try to write some other things like invest wisely, Actually, this is also my another channel. I am teaching about the stock market tutorials, income tax tutorials on this channel. You could also subscribe to the channel if suppose if you are willing to invest something for long term, mid term, short term. Here I have written something, but the actually I have written here invest wisely. You could see that there are no visuals on this tablet. So that visuals would be only present on this tablet. You need to keep your eye on your mission, and you need to write on the tablet. So you could ask a question: how could how could I write on something without any visuals? So it might be tough for a few hours. Once you practice once or twice, then it would become very easy. It's very simple. Trust me, it's very simple. You could also get the customer reviews on Amazon. The customer reviews on Amazon are very awesome. You could feel the value of this product once you buy it. So if you want to buy this product, you could use the product link which is at the description box of this video. If you want to check the price, you can also use the same link. I love this product personally. If you love this product also, please give the thumbs up button. Please click on the thumbs up button, and please try to subscribe my channel also.